조금이고 보다는 네가 안아주기만 하면 흐르는 너가
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Juji asa de summer vacation in Japan. Natsuyasumi yo. Long time no see on YouTube. Today I will be creating a video tutorial. Today is Friday, August 8, 2025. Now let's start to learn basic Japanese phrases in Japanese restaurant. Restaurant desu ka kotoba. Irashaimase. Welcome. Or nanmei sama desu ka? Or how many people? Or how many people in your group? Ang sagot mo naman po ay hitori desu. One person. Or I'm alone. And the two people is futari desu. Futari desu. At ang three people is sannin desu. Sannin desu. Four people is yonin desu. Yonin desu. Five people is gonin desu. Gonin desu. Six people is rokonin desu. Seven people is nananin or sichinin desu. Eight people is hachinin desu. Nine people is kyunin desu. 10 people is junin desu. Juichinin is 11 people. Juichinin desu. At ang 12 people is juninin desu. Juninin desu. 13 people is jusanin desu. Jusanin desu. 14 people is juyonin desu. Juyonin desu. 15 people is jugonin desu. 16 people is jurokonin desu. Jurokonin desu. 17 people is junananin desu or jushichinin desu. 18 people is juhachinin desu. Juhachinin desu. 19 people is jukyunin desu. Jukyunin desu. 20 people is nijunin desu. Onamai kaite, shosho omachi kudasaimasen. Yun po yan. Please write your name and wait. Omatase shimashita. Thanks for waiting. Dozo go annai shimasu. Please come, I will guide you to your table. Chumon kimattara oyobi kudasai. Chumon kimattara oyobi kudasai. If you are ready to order, please call. Sumimasen, omizu kudasai. Water, please. Excuse me, water, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sumimasen. Thank you.
보고 싶어도 해 조금이고 보다는 네가